Let's just get him. Come on.
Look out! Look out! Look out! Look out! Look out! Oh my God! Oh my God! Okay, get him!
Oh my God, we're losing him. Let's just call the police.
No, we don't have time.
Oh my God, he won't stop bleeding. Hurry up. Get in the car. Hurry up. It's okay, right here. It's okay.
Come on.
What are you doing?
We need ride out music.
Really, Soraya? Are we really having this discussion right now?
What do you mean?
Play Wheezy.
That's the itch I don't like.
Oh, and you like Chief Keef right now? Really, Chief Keef?
We need him.
Soraya, you don't play Chief Keef when someone just got shot. You play it when someone's about to get shot.
Look, we gotta go.
Oh my God.
2 Chainz.
Is that here? Is that here?
All he wanted for his birthday was a big booty hoe.
True.
Action.
Oh
my God, the door's locked.
How you lock the door? We need ride out music.
Really? Are we really having this discussion?
What do you mean?
He's just trying to fix a job.
You didn't see it though.
Soraya.
You couldn't see it.